was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
Hello fellow Alpaca holders, my name is CryptoStep, and in this video we're going to talk about AUSD, what is the potential, what I see in the future as Alpaca holder, and why you should care about this stablecoin. But first, like, share and subscribe to this video, and leave me a follow on my Twitter, and if you have any comments, please discuss in Discord or post a comment below. So first, what is AUSD? The reliable stablecoin that earns you extra passive income. So right now AUSD is in the current form collateralized by $9 million, and there is only $7.5 million of AUSD supply. If you have IBBUSD, USD and IBBNB, you can put it as a collateral and you can get AUSD. And from that you get stability fee, which they give for borrowing on your collateral. And from that you get, as a holder, 1% or half of it, based on their documents. You can learn more here on their documents and what they use and what is the mechanic. It's nice to see they have 3 audits, which are third parties, and you can click on them and see for yourself the security. This is how good project is. They prioritize security over everything else, because in DeFi one hack and this can go into nuts. That happened to Bunny token, that happened to this QNT token, and many BSC tokens which don't have audits. So that's why I recommend Alpaca token, because the team is really focused and they focus on security. Don't focus right now on price. Every coin that is launched in the first year goes to 99% below their value. If you believe it, just leave and lock it right now. It's a nice price, and I'll get you why you should care about AUSD. So this is the stability coin market capitalization. If you I made a research, it's $154 billion, and the market cap of AUSD is $7.6 million. That makes 0.005%. And if you make a calculation days since inception, 35 days, and you make growth per day, that's $216.84 per day. And the annual predicted goal of AUSD is $79 million. So from that you can take the 1% burn is $790,000 AUSD, which will be burned as Alpaca. And with the current price, that will make 2.2 million alpacas burn. I don't know how much will be burned in the future, but that's from their documentation. If there is some mistake in my calculation, you can comment below and I'll make adjustment to my math. So that was the main thing. So you should focus. You can go and in their documents, and this is why also every team has a roadmap. So a roadmap makes every quarter what they achieved and what didn't achieve. So you can see almost everything they achieved in 1 year. And right now you can see quarter 1, continue rollout of stablecoin, additional collateral types. So they added 3: flash loan module, improve app performance, in-app calculator, automated market neutral votes. That's a Heisenberg Alpaca Berg will be included there. And that's how I think about it. I have locked and staked, and I'm just chilling, and people complain about price. So everything you can learn from them and in their documents. I know the price right now is pretty bearish, but you have to look from the bright side and see that every coin in the first year did this, and probably after, I don't know, 3 to 5 years, there is some expansion. And my ending point is that there is no growth in the first year. Even if you plant a hazelnut, it will take 3 to 5 years to be profitable. And that's my take on Alpaca token price and the AUSD I wanted to show you. You can go to my profile and you can see my thread about AUSD and give me a follow. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, go to my Discord and comment below.
I was built to last.